How to make footer smaller in Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make footer smaller in your Wix account. So first of all you have to do is just come to the preferred browser, and after that just simply search for wix.com and just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top, and then you will be redirected to the Wix official website. And over here just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you're logged in into your Wix account, just simply go to the website that you are creating or building on your Wix platform. And over here, in order to make your header and footer smaller in the Wix account, all you have to do is just simply click on the quick edit section from the home screen itself. And over here at the left hand side menu, you will be able to see a bunch of different options. So the fourth option, which says site design, just simply click on it, and over here you will be able to see the option called text theme. Just simply expand the menu, and in order to change the size of the footer, just simply click on the paragraph font over here and select the font as per your liking. And after that, in order to increase or decrease the size of it, you just have to click on the customize heading style, and just simply click on it. And over here click on the font size over here, and just use this toolbar and drag it down and make it as big as you want as per your liking. And once you are done, just simply click on apply. So this is basically how you will be able to make footer smaller in Wix. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.